Cats are often seen lounging around the house, moving from one sunny spot to another as the day progresses. This behavior, commonly referred to as sunbathing, is not only a familiar sight but also a reflection of the cat's natural instincts and needs. It's common for a cat to follow sunspots around the house, basking in the warmth and light of a windowsill or a patch of sunlight on the floor. While this might seem like a simple habit, there is a deeper science behind why cats are so drawn to sunspots and why they tend to follow them throughout the day. At its core, the attraction of cats to sunlight has to do with their biology and the natural behaviors inherited from their wild ancestors. Cats, both domestic and wild, are known to be crepuscular creatures, meaning they are most active during the dawn and dusk hours. Their behavior is adapted to this schedule, where they are at their most alert during low-light conditions, which allows them to hunt for prey. However, in addition to these activity patterns, cats have an innate need for warmth, and this is one of the key reasons they gravitate towards sunny spots. One of the primary reasons cats follow sunspots is that they are seeking warmth. Cats, like all mammals, are warm-blooded, meaning they need to regulate their body temperature. They do this through a combination of behaviors, such as adjusting their activity levels, moving to different areas of the house, and, most notably, sunbathing. A cat's body temperature naturally falls within a specific range, and exposure to the sun helps to maintain this temperature. Domestic cats, especially those that live indoors, may not have as many opportunities to regulate their body temperature as they would in the wild, so they rely on sources of warmth, such as sunspots, to keep themselves comfortable. Sunbathing is particularly beneficial for cats in terms of energy conservation. Cats spend a significant amount of time sleeping and resting, and sunbathing provides an efficient way for them to regulate their body temperature without expending energy. In fact, some studies suggest that domestic cats can spend up to 16 hours a day resting or sleeping, and seeking out sunny spots to lie in can help them save energy. The warmth of the sun also promotes relaxation, allowing cats to rest in a state of comfort. By following the sun as it moves across the house, cats ensure that they are constantly positioned in a warm and restful spot. In addition to providing warmth, sunlight plays a crucial role in the cat's overall health and well-being. Sunlight is a natural source of vitamin D, which is essential for the proper functioning of a cat's body. Vitamin D helps cats absorb calcium and phosphorus, both of which are vital for maintaining strong bones and healthy muscles. While cats do not produce as much vitamin D through their skin as humans do, they still benefit from exposure to sunlight, which helps them maintain adequate levels of this important nutrient. By seeking out sunspots, cats are ensuring that they get the natural sunlight they need to support their bone and muscle health. The desire for warmth and sunlight also has to do with the way that cats' bodies are designed. Cats have a high surface area relative to their body mass, which makes them prone to losing body heat quickly. This is especially true for indoor cats that may not be as physically active or exposed to natural elements as outdoor cats. Sunbathing provides an opportunity for cats to absorb heat and maintain their body temperature. Cats will often adjust their position throughout the day to follow the sun, ensuring that they are always in the warmest spot available. This behavior is particularly common in the colder months when the sun's warmth is especially inviting. Another aspect of why cats follow the sun around the house involves their innate instinct for comfort and safety. In the wild, cats would seek out sunbathing spots in places that were not only warm but also secure. These locations would offer both comfort and protection, allowing the cat to relax without the risk of predators or other threats. Domestic cats continue this behavior by following sunspots, which they associate with both warmth and a sense of safety. A cat might choose a sunny spot in a window or on the floor, where it can soak up the warmth while also keeping an eye on its environment. Sunbathing in these areas provides a sense of security and gives the cat a chance to rest while remaining aware of its surroundings. Sunbathing also has a psychological and emotional benefit for cats. Like humans, cats enjoy feelings of comfort and relaxation, and basking in the sun is one of the best ways to achieve this. The warmth of the sun can have a soothing effect on a cat, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. Many cats that experience stress or discomfort, especially if there have been changes in their environment, will seek out sunny spots to help calm themselves. Sunbathing is often seen as a coping mechanism, where the warmth provides not only physical comfort but also emotional solace. Additionally, cats follow the sunspots as part of their natural instinct to regulate their circadian rhythms. Just as humans are influenced by the sun's rising and setting, cats are also sensitive to the cycles of light and dark throughout the day. The movement of the sun through the sky signals to cats when it is time to sleep, rest, or be active. By following the sun, cats help to maintain their natural rhythms and ensure that they are in alignment with their instinctual needs. This behavior reflects the deep connection between cats and their environment, where the daily patterns of light and warmth play a significant role in their routines. The instinct to follow the sun can also be seen as a way for cats to manage their physical and emotional energy. Cats are naturally inclined to conserve energy throughout the day, and one way they do this is by spending time in warm, comfortable spots where they can relax without exerting themselves. Sunbathing allows cats to enter a state of deep relaxation, where they can restore their energy levels. This is particularly important for cats that spend much of their day sleeping or resting. The warmth of the sun encourages this restful behavior and helps cats maintain their overall health and well-being. Another reason cats might follow sunspots around the house has to do with their territorial nature. Cats are territorial creatures, and they have a strong instinct to claim areas that they consider safe and comfortable. By following the sunspots, cats are not only seeking warmth and comfort but also marking their territory. The act of sunbathing in various spots around the house can be seen as a way for the cat to assert ownership over the space. This is especially true in households with multiple cats, where sunspots can become areas of competition. Cats may move from one sunspot to another to ensure that they have claimed each space as their own. Sunbathing also has a social element, especially in homes with multiple cats. Cats are solitary hunters but social animals when it comes to resting and relaxing. They often enjoy sharing sunspots with other cats in their household, as long as there is no competition or conflict over the space. Cats that are bonded to their human family members may also seek out sunspots near their owners, enjoying the physical proximity and the shared warmth. In multi-cat households, sunspots can become places where cats either compete for space or relax together, depending on their individual personalities and social dynamics. Cats are also known for their ability to find the most comfortable and convenient resting spots in any environment. Their keen instincts for seeking out warmth and comfort mean that they are particularly adept at finding sunspots throughout the day. Whether it's a small patch of sunlight on the floor or a sunlit perch by the window, cats will move from one spot to the next to make sure they are always in the optimal position for relaxation. Their ability to follow the sun is a reflection of their need for comfort, security, and warmth, which are essential for their overall well-being. Cats' behavior of following sunspots around the house is influenced by several factors, including their need for warmth, their instinct to regulate their body temperature, and their desire for comfort and security. Sunbathing provides not only physical benefits, such as warmth and the absorption of vitamin D, but also psychological benefits, such as relaxation and stress relief. Cats instinctively seek out sunny spots as part of their natural rhythms and behaviors, ensuring that they stay comfortable, healthy, and emotionally balanced. Whether it's a cold winter day or a bright summer afternoon, following the sun is just another way cats express their natural instincts and maintain their well-being in a world that is always shifting between light and darkness.